Acid rain has the potential to melt statues and destroy forests.
When I think of acid rain, I think of a really good Simpsons episode.
What the?
Please.
Oh, you're back. Let's just turn to Ahmed, who will explain this more detail.
The rain it burns!
All rain is naturally acidic due to the carbon dioxide present in the air. However, acidic pollutions such as sulfur dioxide mixed with the water in the atmosphere which make the acid rain.
Meaning that when metals above hydrogen in the reactivity series are exposed to acids, they corrode.
But how can we stop acid rain happening? Felix will explain.
To be honest, it's all pretty simple, man. I mean, even I figured it out.
Amazing.
Yeah, I know. Me. Oh yeah, sorry. The solution to the pollution.
However, the solution is much harder to do.
After all, nuclear power in some countries is the main source of power.
And nuclear power plants are a huge source of sulfur dioxide.
Yeah.
Even Homer Simpson realised that the power plant was a major problem.
Homer, fall backward! Oh, you stupid son of a...
I hate The Simpsons! You really need to tell me when you're starting to film. Still?
Ahmed, what was the solution to the pollution?
Renewable energy.